Start a new drawing using an imperial template. Open the Create Points Manager and pick the Import icon. Click the plus icon to add your point file. Notice in the name is PENZD. That's the format the data is structured. Which means point number, easting, northing, elevation, and description. Zoom all to see the new points. The first step is to review the points. Notice there are 2 points descriptions. EG points make up the existing ground, and FG points make up the level building pad. Create an EG point group and include all the points with the description EG. Create another point group for the FG points. Next, we'll generate 2 3D surfaces. Right mouse button on the surfaces in the prospector and pick New Surface. Change the name to EG and add a description. Pick OK. You've made a surface, but it's completely empty. Expand the surface categories from right mouse button on point groups. Add the EG point groups. Now you have a surface. Right mouse button on your surface and click Surface Properties. Adjust the contour intervals and turn on smoothing. Create another surface for the finished ground using the exact same methods, except you should add the FG points group. From the Analysis ribbon, pick on the Volumes dashboard. Pick the Create New Volume Surface tool. Confirm the type as 10 volume surface. Set the base surface to EG and the comparison surface to FG. Adjust the cut fill factors. Now you have 3 surfaces. Use the Insert Cut Fill Data button and place the text. Don't worry about the text size right now. I'll use the surface properties to adjust the name and how the surface appears. On the Analysis tab, change the ranges to Range Interval with Datum and click the down arrow button. Now you can see the areas of cut in red and fill in green. Insert the Surface Legend table from the Add Tables tool on the Annotate ribbon. Return to the Surface Properties. Expand the Volume category in the Statistics tab. Place the text. Finally, we will set up our page for a D-size sheet using the Page Setup Manager. Insert the D-size title block using 00 insertion point. Adjust the viewport size. I'll use the Scale command to increase the cut fill text by a factor of 12. AutoCAD and Civil 3D are in an infinite battle over units. AutoCAD wants to work in inches, while Civil 3D wants to work in feet. In most cases, that's the cause for all the text size problems. Explode the title block text and edit the text. Create a new layer for the viewport window and set it not to print. Let me know if you have any questions.